Welcome to Austria in winter. Today's journey begins at Vienna International Airport, where modern efficiency meets timeless European rail travel. From the airport station, we board the ÖBB Railjet, Austria's flagship high-speed train, heading south toward the Alps. This route connects Vienna Airport to Semmering Bahnhof, one of the most scenic mountain gateways in the country. As the train leaves the flat plains around Vienna, the landscape slowly transforms. Urban views fade into rolling hills, forests, and small alpine towns. This journey is not just transportation, it's an experience. Comfortable, punctual, and perfectly designed for travelers arriving straight from an international flight. The Railjet offers a smooth and stress-free transition from city to mountains. This route is especially magical during Christmas-winter, when snow begins to blanket the countryside, and the anticipation of the Alps builds with every passing station. The highlight of this journey is the legendary Semmering Railway, recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Built in the 19th century, it is the world's first true mountain railway, famous for its tunnels, stone viaducts, and dramatic curves through the Alps. Even today, it remains an engineering masterpiece. Traveling on the ÖBB Railjet adds modern comfort to this historic line. The train features spacious seating, free Wi-Fi, power outlets, luggage storage, and a quiet, smooth ride, ideal for winter travel. Large panoramic windows allow uninterrupted views of snow-covered forests and alpine valleys. Key stations along this route include Vienna Hauptbahnhof, Wiener Neustadt, Glognitz, and finally Semmering Bahnhof. Each stop brings you deeper into alpine scenery, making this one of Europe's most scenic train journeys. One of the best things about this journey is its affordability. A standard ÖBB Railjet ticket from Vienna Airport to Semmering typically costs between 25 to 40 euros, depending on travel time, booking date, and seat class. Booking early through ÖBB often gives you the best price, and seat reservations are optional but recommended during the Christmas season. In just over 1.5 hours, you travel from an international airport to the heart of the Austrian Alps, without renting a car or worrying about winter roads. It's sustainable, scenic, and incredibly convenient. If you enjoyed this winter train journey through Austria and the UNESCO-listed Semmering Railway, don't forget to like the video, follow, and subscribe to ShutterbuginNorway for more cinematic travel stories, scenic routes, and unforgettable journeys across Europe. Your adventure continues, one train ride at a time. Welcome to Semmering, where winter transforms the Austrian Alps into a quiet, snow-covered paradise. Just a short walk from Semmering Bahnhof, the mountains open into a network of scenic winter trails, surrounded by pine forests and crisp alpine air. This is one of Austria's most accessible alpine destinations, yet it still feels untouched and peaceful. Winter hiking here is not about speed. It's about slowing down. Every step crunches softly in the snow, and the silence is broken only by the wind through the trees. During Christmas season, the landscape feels almost magical, as if time itself has slowed. Semmering offers an alpine experience that is perfect for beginners and experienced hikers alike, even in winter conditions. This is nature at its most calming, raw, and beautiful.